Good morning, my friend. A new breath, a new sun, a new chance, welcome. This video isn't just another voice. It's a mirror for your soul. You didn't land here by accident. You didn't click this by mistake. This moment was written for you. A part of you is tired. Tired of waking up with the same emptiness. The same noise. The same feeling that something's missing. But today, the story is about to change. This isn't fake motivation. It's not about hype, it's about healing. It's about taking back control of your mind. So for the next few minutes, slow down, breathe deeply, and let these words sink quietly into your spirit. Because the way you start your morning is the way you write your life. Now listen carefully. These 12 lines you are about to hear aren't just pretty words. They are vitamins for your soul. Truths your heart once knew, but the noise of life made you forget. When you repeat them daily, you are not just speaking. You are rebuilding belief in yourself. This isn't only a video to practice English listening. It's a way to practice listening to your inner silence. If you want to speak better, start here. If you want to live better, start here. Because the way you talk to yourself in the morning is the way you face the world. So today, no matter how heavy yesterday felt, no matter how tired your soul is, make this moment your prayer. Just you, your breath, and your truth. No noise. No judgment. No masks. Today is a new day, and I have been given another chance to begin again. Say it slowly, from your heart. Today is a new day, and I have been given another chance to begin again. Not, I have to get up. Or, I have so many problems. Or, it's too late now. No. Just say, I have been given another chance to begin again. Think about it. How many people didn't wake up today? How many would give anything for one more sunri se, one more breath, one more chance? And you have it right now. You are breathing. You are alive. You are still in the story. That means your chapter isn't over yet. Your mistakes didn't destroy you. Your pain didn't defeat you. You are still here. And that itself is a miracle. So rise not with guilt, but with gratitude. And say it out loud. I have been given another chance to begin again. Forget the past. The arguments, the failures, the fears of being late. This moment is a brand new doorway. And it doesn't care who you were yesterday. It only asks, who will you choose to become today? If this video touched your heart and you gave it your precious time, believe me, tomorrow morning will bring a new light into your life. Sun with face. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Because the next part will completely transform your life. Circling stars. Thank you for watching.